Hi, this is Kari. I'm here with Cheryl and Colleen, and we're the Consistently Creative crew. We are creating tonight the Creative Memories Simple Page Kit number 4 from their Your Own Way series, which is the series from 2026. And this layout is a little bit different than some of the past ones. The base papers design has all of these diamonds on it, and it's reminiscent to me of like a stained glass window. And they have these like transparent mask areas that have some opacity going on that almost looks like it's like sunshine behind the stained glass. So all of our digital people were here early. We created it for them. I'm not going to record that now. I will record that separately. And the rest of the layout is pretty simple. We were just having a discussion about whether if you didn't have this page kit and you wanted to create this, the dimensions for trying to create these diamonds, and I did not try to figure all that out. So it's kind of up to you if you want to do that, but you could just pick some nice background paper and do the rest of it on a layout. And so the page kit had those two base papers, and for a change, they are actually not the same. They are different from each other. And the cut apart is only two different colors, but there's a lot of pattern in here, and it kind of looks random. So I don't know if the camera is picking that up very well, but like the light one has like little flecks of periwinkle and lilac and white in it. And then the other one that's a darker one has like some darker stripes running through it. And then it has some like really light blue, light green spots, splotches. I don't know what the technical term is. So there's a lot of kind of color to this cut apart. They're not just one solid color. And on the back, it's only going to get cut into 7 pieces. 2 of them are like banners that are going to go across the 2 pages. And then these 5 are actually photo mats. So the way they have their layout is they only have 5 photos here because they actually left a lot of the background paper showing, which depending on how you're creating your layout and what you're doing, you may or may not want to do that. You may want to have more things, more photos in there. So, because a lot of our people like to create with a lot of photos and a lot of large size photos. So, but you can make this and make it your own. And the kit also came with these stickers, which are really, really nice. There's some flowers, there's this radiant days, there's this border strip. And if you got the bundle, we have this one, and it has, they're a little shimmery, which you might be able to see. It says, "Let the hunt begin." It's got this basket of eggs, and it's got spring fun. So with this one, there's only a few cuts to make, and placement is, we're just going to be kind of eyeballing it on our layout. But the first 2 cuts are going to be cutting apart 1 and 2, and those are 3 inches wide. So for the first one, I'm just going to have it with the numbers up. I'm going to cut it at 3 inches. And then the second one, I'm going to turn it over because I really would like a fairly clean cut because I've got the 2 different pattern papers here. Even though I know that it is at 3 inches, I want it to cut cleanly. So put that at 3 inches. And those are those 2 banners. And then this other part, I'm just going to turn it over and I'm going to cut on the lines. So the big mat is a 4x6. And then the other pieces are 3x4. And that's really all there is to it. And as far as placement goes, I used their example sketch to try to figure out where to put these banners that go across. So when I lay them out, what I noticed is if you look at this banner, it is coming in, I don't know if you can see this, it's just a little bit below the midpoint of this diamond shape because you can still see the points, but on the right page, you're covering that up. So I just use the points, the diamonds on the base papers to try to figure out about where I needed this. And so that was how I tried to eyeball it. And that looks about right. And then their mats, they put one on this page. They have the bottoms kind of lined up. And it's like that. And that's really all there is to this one. So they have their stickers on there. They have a bunch of accents the way they put, I think they used pretty much all of the stickers that are on this sheet, and I'll set that up in a few minutes. But it was pretty quick and easy. So if you're creating with us and you're just using your own paper, you can actually use the PDF that I put in the Consistently Creative Proppers group. And it has what the cut apart dimensions are, and it has kind of the layout. And I didn't really have a dimension because I was just trying to eyeball where this banner crossed over on this side. For the digital people, they needed some indication of how to do these diamonds and where they needed to put them. So I gave some dimensions on these base paper sketch as to where to anchor any of those diamond sets, which worked out pretty well, I think, for the digital folk. So, does anybody have any questions? All right, then we can pause the recording.
Gorgeous.
All right, so here is the sample page, and I didn't have pictures, but I wanted to get it all assembled. I did notice when I was done that this larger flower on their sample was on the other page, but I still think it turned out really nice. I think the colors that they picked here turned out really pretty. Definitely one that you could adapt in a lot of different ways if you didn't if you wanted to have more photos, you could make that work because there's plenty of space to do that. But I think it's a really nice layout. The colors are definitely colors that I really like. I think it's a really beautiful layout. So I look forward to seeing what everybody else has done with this. So who will move my spotlight? Who else has a traditional page or something? Okay, well, let's go to you, Colleen.
Okay. Whoops, what happened?
What happened?
You're
I don't know. I don't even have the button now.
My screen is frozen. Can you hear me?
I can hear.
Okay.
Okay, well, this might look very familiar because here's the
nice.
Nice.
Wait a minute. Where are your extra photos?
I'm just gonna go in my sample album, so I didn't add the 14 extra photos I was gonna add.
Oh, nice. Well, that looks really stunning. I like your photos. They turned out great.
Thanks.
Love it.
Nice.
Love it.
Looks good.
All right. Who else? Okay. Who else can want to share screen? Go ahead. Let's not all jump.
You want traditional. You want traditional though, right?
Deanna, do you have anything?
Only thing I have is on the left side because the right side, I'm sorry, I just can't justify just one photo on there. It was really bothering me. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So the left side does vaguely resemble the model.
Oh wow, look at that.
Nice.
It's very
Very pretty colors. Thank you. That's the World War II monument.
Yeah.
Colleen and I visited about a week ago now. So
very nice.
Thank you. I did take Cheryl's advice on the diamond things, and I thought they turned out pretty
Yeah,
well, all things
They
considered.
did. They did.
Mhm.
More power to you.
Thank you.
Awesome. Okay. I guess are we out of traditional? Let's go. Go ahead. Ola, you ready? Terry, you
I'm
ready?
ready.
Either one of you? You're
I'm
ready?
ready.
Okay. Go ahead.
Find share again. Oh, here. Oh, it would help if I got back to the project, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's normally helpful.
Oh,
Oh, I like it. That
Yeah.
worked well.
I still have
Nice.
journaling to do.
Don't
but
go yet.
Now,
I gotta
see,
make my
there's
thing
more
big.
photos.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I
wow.
was gonna say good job adding the extra photos.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Looks good.
Looks really good.
Yeah. Looks awesome.
Thank you.
The way you
I like-
cascaded the photos matches the Argyle. It looks great.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Awesome. Okay. Terry?
Okay.
Oh.
Pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
what
So
very
glad
gorgeous
you add those
colors.
masks. That's great.
It
looks
did work
good.
well.
Yeah,
It did work very well. Yep.
Totally an
Love
accident.
that.
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, it really
Okay.
worked well.
A happy
Sure
accident.
Happy accidents. Love it. Thanks, y'all.
And I love those extra strokes around those things. I see
Yeah.
that. I caught that. She's trying to double dip.
Oh.
But you know
Cinda?
who could help her? Who could blame her?
Oh, yeah.
I can share. It's not done, but
Oh, that looks
That's
nice.
cute. Yes.
beautiful.
Pretty.
That's Cinda.
thank you much.
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty
that's
colors
so
there, yeah.
nice. Yep.
Thanks.
Lynn, do
Well, I
you
can
have
share
any-
mine, although it's not even close to being done.
That's okay.
Oh,
Ah,
Oh,
cute.
Oh,
Pretty
Nice.
colors. Yeah, the colors work well.
Nice. Yeah,
I
that
love
worked
that.
well.
yeah,
Yep.
I'm working on the embellishments and
Mhm.
something to put here, but I haven't got
I
it
like
yet.
your banner, Lynn. That's really neat.
yeah.
Yep.
I like
Mhm.
the
Oh, well,
fact that,
that's part of the kit.
well, I like the fact that you use those
That's part
like
of the
pastel
kit.
colors.
Yeah.
The colors are great.
What's that?
I like that you use the
Oh,
pastel
good.
colors.
Yeah.
This is actually a pixie crop kit from Let's Cruise.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Was that I don't know. Did anybody, Sharon, did you make anything? Or were you just hanging out?
Am doing half digital on my silhouette and
Okay.
half real thing.
All right. Do you have anything to share before we,
The other page is printing right now.
okay.
I don't, can you
Oh,
see?
oh, yeah. Nice.
yeah.
That's what
Wow.
I've printed so far, and I've got
Very
the other
pretty.
page printing, and then I'm printing a page of solid like this to
Yeah.
do my stripes across the.
Nice.
Well, that's cool.
pretty.
Very nice. Neat.
That's
So you
great.
make it digitally and then print it out?
Yes, I have a 12 by
That's
12
awesome.
printer. So
Nice.
I'm just creating my diamonds in silhouette because I know how to use silhouette and it's
Oh, nice.
faster for me. Right now, I'm going to learn the other one, but
You'll get there. You'll get there. All right. So then here's mine.
Oh, beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Ooh,
Oh, I like those
Oh, very
colors.
nice.
Wow,
Thank you.
stunning.
Yes.
thank you.
It does
So-
look like stained glass.
It does.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I actually used a stained glass kit. It was actually called stained glass.
Huh.
Stained
Okay.
glass bundle. And these were all the
Oh,
yeah,
awesome.
these papers
Very
in there. I
pretty.
just thought it was
So
really
gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Very
So-
nice.
So, I hope everybody enjoyed tonight, and it was a learning experience and a lot of tech things going on, and having diamonds and making diamonds and all of that. But hopefully everybody enjoyed that, and be sure to share a picture of your final layout in our Consistently Creative Croppers Facebook group, and look forward to creating with you all next time. So thanks so much.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.